Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing a unboxing Band of Brothers and the Pacific. This just came in the mail. Really excited to open this. I want to watch this series. So I'm going to go ahead and change the camera angle and let's unbox this baby. So here we are again. So again, this is the Band of Brothers, the Pacific. This is Tom Hanks and Steven Spielberg. Sorry about that. Sorry, Steven. Alright, so let's start unboxing this. Oh, I don't want to rip that sticker. Never before seen documentary featuring surviving veterans of Easy Command and 1st Marine Division. Hurrah, Semper Fi. Yeah, let's open this. I don't want to rip it too much. There we go. Present the Emmy Award-winning WW2 miniseries, World War II. Oh, I hate this sticky stuff. Let's remove this sticky stuff before it upsets me. There we go. Thank you very much. So it brings this like J card. Usually come down here. This was on top. Alright, so Band of Brothers, the Pacific. So includes never before seen documentaries. Oh, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna save this. I don't throw these away. And now let's move this to the side. There we are. I don't even know how this opens. Oh, there we go. This 1, 4, 6. How many? Oh, 6 on each. So Band of Brothers brings 6 discs. The Pacific also has 6. That's pretty good. There it is. This is nice cardboard. I believe this is, yeah, magnetized. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's open this. Oh, it's like a book. Well, look at that. Let's see what's in here. Pacific. I believe this is the book. Yes, this is Hugh Ambrose. That's pretty nice. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow. Super glossy too. I don't know if you can pick that up. Wow, this is really nice. So there is Band of Brothers. Heard great things about this series. I gotta finish this. Because if I start, I have to finish it. Super glossy. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Oh, the discs are not really stuck in there. So they're easy to remove. Band of Brothers, disc 5 and 6. Look at that. Super glossy. Pages feel nice and sturdy. So this is the bonus disc. Oh, don't want to touch it. Yeah, bonus disc. Look at that. Wow. That is pretty. That is really pretty. Now that this kind of changed the color. There's some really good pictures. Yeah, that's really nice. You can see when I turn the page, they're kind of thick. Another special features. this 5 and this 6. And let's see. It's the back of it. There's some embossing where it says Band of Brothers, the Pacific. Hopefully you can pick that up. Band of Brothers, the Pacific. Has a little ribbon so you can pull it out. Let's put this back in there. Put it over. Let's see the back. Nothing great to show back here, but overall, pretty happy with this. Yeah, this is really nice. Well, thank you for watching. If you liked these type of videos, please subscribe, watch my other videos. I'll be coming out with more videos, more content. So thank you very much for watching. You have a great day.